Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the user inputs. So far what are we doing? We are just taking two variables and like we are basically assigning the hard-coded value, and then we are doing operation, any kind of an operation like arithmetic operation or anything are we doing so far. But what if this whatever this 5 and 6 value we take it from the user, like we ask from the user to give in some numbers, and based on that we do some operation. So for that one, what we use basically one method called input. So here this is the input. Same, I'm going to take another value for the b also. In that case we use the input method. Now if I will run this application, what is happening? As of now, our console is expecting something, but it's not telling us anything. For an example, if I will press 4, hit enter, then again press 6, hit enter, it is giving 4, 6. So here you are seeing like it is not doing sum. It is just adding 4 and 6. So first, before talking about this one, let me run it again. Here what is happening? See, console is expecting something from us, from the user basically, but we are not finding anything. As a user we can think like it's got stuck or something, but this we have to tell like please enter some number. So for that one, what we can give inside that one, please give num1. Similar way what we can do, we can give here also, please give num2. In that case, when I will run this application, so here what is saying, please give num1. So console is saying please give num1. I'm giving 5, and then I'm just giving another number called 6. But here you are seeing it is not giving sum, means it's not adding, it's just taking those value, means since I have given the space here, so here it is giving the space, means it is taking it as a string, not number. The reason is because this input method is basically written the string. How we can verify? Let's verify it. Print. How I'm going to take? I'm going to take it as a type, and type of what? A. So when I will run at point of this time, let's run this. You will see, okay, first it is expecting numbers. Let me give 5. Here you can see class string. So here it is written basically a string type. That's why it is behaving as a string. So for that one, what we have to do? We have to convert it into the integer. So how you can do? Either you put as a here, like just consider it as a int like this. So at point of this time, when I will run this, so what will happen? It will expecting some number. So I'm going to give 4, and then I'm going to take 8. So it is giving 12, means it's giving some, means it's doing sum of these two. We are converting here. Or if you don't want to convert it here, so I'm going to comment it with the hash. Here what I'm going to do, just whatever the input is coming, just convert it from there. So int, I'm just doing from here. Similar way, I will convert this also to the integer. Now let's print it again. So print a plus b. Now let's run this again. So what will happen? Again, num1 4, and then 5. So what will happen? It is going to give the sum to us. So by default, this input method means we are going to take any value from the user. By default, it convert it into the string. So we have to convert as per our data type, whatever we want to print it. So like now currently it is basically giving, means it's not giving any space. So you can give space like this. And if you will run this here, you will see the space also it is giving here. So this is the way it is giving the like the space also. So this is the way what we do using the input method. We can take some value from the user and we can perform this operation. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.